Welcome to part 2 of this week's project. Yesterday we prepped our pieces. I even went ahead and painted the backgrounds of each of mine 2 different colors so I don't have to wait for them to dry today. I made some test pieces too, which I'll be replicating in today's video. Take your detail brush and do one color at a time. It's best to figure out what order the colors will be overlapping in to make your life easier, because you can paint them in that order without having to go back and fix details. For example, my fairy has 2 layers. I can easily overlap them by painting the wings first and then letting that dry, and then painting the body over top since it overlaps. For my gnome, I thought about painting the shirt before the pants because of the suspenders going over the shirt, but then the shoes would be floating and they might not be placed where I would have wanted them to be. For my checkerboard game, I only need 24 pieces total, though I might make a few extra just in case any get lost. I hope your project is going well. I'd love to see it, so share progress photos on my Facebook page. In Friday's video, you'll get to see these pieces in action on the crocheted checkerboard we made last week. I'm getting excited. Thanks for following along. Let me know if you have any questions for tomorrow's Q&A post on my Facebook page. And don't forget to spend some time outside while it's nice out. Maybe you can even find a secret garden.